Hi everyone, and welcome to the Superb AI Academy. My name is Sam, and today we'll be discussing our Google Cloud Storage integrations. As we've looked at in a previous video, you can upload data to our platform via the Suite UI, via the CLI, and via our native cloud integrations. In this video, I'll be walking you through configuring a Google Cloud Storage integration. For this tutorial, you'll need to have a GCP bucket already set up, and Google's GSUtil command line tool installed and configured. As you can see, I have created a demo Google Cloud Platform bucket already. The first step in setting up this integration will be to configure a Google Cloud Platform service account. We will need to create the service account, generate a service account key, and add permissions to the bucket for this service account. First, we navigate to the Service Accounts page via IAM and Admin and Service Accounts. Here we can create a new account. We'll need to enter a name for the service account and can optionally add a description. Next, we create a service account key. First, click on the service account that we just created, and then go to the Keys tab. Here, we can create a new key in JSON format. Make sure to download and save the key, as we will be using it later. While we're here, let's copy the email associated with this account for the next step. Now, we can return to the bucket to add the necessary permissions. First, click on the bucket in question. Then, select the Permissions tab, and click on Grant Access. Copy the email from the previous step into the New Principals box. The two roles we will need to add here are Storage Legacy Bucket Reader and Storage Legacy Object Reader. To use GCP integration as read-only for advanced data security, only the reader roles must be selected. Finally, before adding the integration to the suite, we will need to attach a CORS, or Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, policy to the bucket. There are several ways you can do this, but for the purposes of this video, we will be using the GSUtil command line tool. First, we will need to create a JSON file containing the CORS configuration. Here is a file I created earlier. You can also find the contents of this file in our docs page. Now, I'll use GSUtil to configure the CORS settings in our bucket. I can confirm the CORS settings with the following command. We're almost done. Now, all we need to do is add the integration. We can do this from the Integrations tab in the suite. Here, we'll select Google Cloud Storage, click Add, and then choose a name for our integration. This will just be used for managing the integration within the suite. Next, we enter the name of the bucket, and we can optionally choose to limit access to a particular folder. Skipping this step will allow the integration access to every folder in the bucket. Now, we can paste the complete contents of the service account JSON key that we downloaded earlier and hit Save Integration. And it's done. The integration is configured. Now, we can use assets from the bucket in our project. I'll quickly demonstrate how to do this. From the project sidebar, select the Upload Data button here. Then, we can select the cloud option. Next, we specify Google Storage and select the integration we'd like to use. Now, we can select either the entire bucket or a specific subfolder. In this case, we'll select the subfolder Images. We can now choose whether we'd like to store the imported data on Superb AI servers or leave it hosted in your cloud storage, with read-only access granted to Superb AI. For this example, we'll choose Superb AI storage. Finally, we're prompted to choose a dataset for the new data. We'll create a new dataset and start the upload. And the upload is complete. As you can see, we can now view the uploaded data on the labels page. And that's it. Now you can begin labeling or import more data using this integration. I'll see you next time.